Hi everyone, we received a question that we think we need to share with you. Someone who ordered a JOPAT backpack during the crowdfunding campaign 1 year ago asked me, and this is no joke, Joshua, thank you for your backpack, I'm very happy with it, but I have one question. Where is the secret pocket? And first I was really surprised, of course. But second, I noticed that this is a point where we really need to improve our customer connection or our offer. So we decided to do this little clip for you because we think at least the owner should know where the secret pocket is. So this is the JOPAT Adventure, but it doesn't really matter which version you have because the secret pocket is on the same position. When you turn it around, you will find this YKK zipper here, which belongs to the secret pocket. And as you can see, it's quite big. While traveling, I normally put my documents in there, or Corona mask, or mobile, because it's really safe. And also really practical is that when you're riding bike, for example, you have a really good and easy access, as you can see right now. Important to know for you is that this pocket is only water repellent. So when you're on a canoe trip, for example, you should use the main pocket for your mobile phone, or if you have the JOPAT Adventure, also the front pocket. But for traveling or in the city, the main danger is rain, and I never had any water in this pocket caused by rain. Well, I think that's all you need to know about the functions of that pocket. May you wonder why we haven't made this pocket completely waterproof as the front pocket from the JOPAT Adventure. And this has mainly 3 reasons. First, as you can see, the opening of the JOPAT Adventure is not that easy, or you need a little more strength. And we thought when you want to have a secret pocket with just an easy access, this doesn't fit so well. Second, the price of this waterproof zipper is really high, and we thought that having the perfect balance between pricing and functionality, the water repellent zipper would be the better option for our customers. And third, as you can see, a waterproof zipper, as we use it here, has a little more structure, which we think looks awesome. But when you want to have a secret pocket, we thought that a more decent zipper, as you can see it here, is the better option. Yeah, we are sorry for the customers who haven't found the secret pocket yet because of that. But we think with this video you will find it. In case you have any questions about JOPAT backpack, please let us know. And yeah, well, have a nice day. Bye bye.